Remove the water pipe. Take off the bearing end cap. Unscrew the bearing nut. Take apart the bearing bushing. Uninstall the bolts from the bearing housing. Take off the retaining collar. Remove the pressure cap. Take off the wind accumulation sleeve. Remove the cooling unit. Remove the balance plate. Uninstall the drive end bearing end cap. Unscrew the bearing nut. Remove the bearing. Take off the bearing sleeve. Take apart the bearing body. Remove the bearing body. Same steps. Take off the pressure cover. Pull out the fan shaft sleeve. Unscrew the screw. Take apart the lever at the water inlet. Number the impeller. Take apart the middle segment. Number the impeller. Remove one by one. First impeller numbering. Take out the balance disc. Disassemble the balance sleeve. Dismantle the guide vane from the middle section. The D-type multi-stage pump was disassembled.